If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
We got TAEYEON up next. Letter to my. When did this come out? 2 days ago. First of all, vocalist queen. First of all, the Albert beers, ales, spirits, wines. Okay, where's she at? Is this England? What is this? It looks like a wet flow. It could be New York. It could be England. Where did this at? Does anybody know? I know y'all know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. All right, TAEYEON, letter to myself. This seems like it's gonna be really personal. So in 3, 2, 1. I hope I don't cry. Oh, this is released 11/11 or. Ooh, I already like the.
I could be good, I could be bad.
Wait, is she going like on like separate dates or meeting different people? Damn, she looks uninterested to any of them. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Woo. Well, this is because they're like pop rockish. Oh, okay. Let me go back. Oh, the teddy bear. I love her hair. Like, it suits her. I mean, she definitely had that hair before, I think. For sure. Oh, she gonna fix? Okay, Miss Ma'am. Let's go, Miss Mechanic. That's smoke. I know that's. Okay. Who the hell? Wait, that pissed me off. Wait. Who the hell? Nah. Who the hell is gonna bully somebody for fixing the engine that you are on? That make it make sense. Make it make sense. Why are you laughing at me while I'm trying to fix the problem? When your little dumbass, lazy ass, clueless know how to. She looks like she knows how to fix it. Yeah, she came with a wrench, right? Is that what it's called? See, I don't even know because I would help her. She tell me what to do, TAEYEON. I will touch the hot pipes for you. I don't know, bro. Let me see. Nah, leave they ass, TAEYEON. TAEYEON, leave they ass. They are not worth it. You leave their ass. What the fuck is this? Excuse my language. That's kind of creepy. This took a wild turn. Wait, this bus got like a back camera? Okay. She's so fire though. This bears more Chewbacca. Ooh. Damn, she's freaking singing. But like, I love the shots of this already. What? It's such an interesting shot. It's like a shot of POV of the tire like falling or rolling. Wait, who's chasing them? That reminds me of that one horror movie about a killer tire. I don't know if y'all know about that. Don't watch it. Or watch it if you want. Wow, the instrumental is so grand. I love it. TY. TY. Even the bear. Wait, so okay, let me understand this. These mother effers were making fun of yo feelings and yo like stuff like that, and then when yo bus was crashed because of overheatage, basically, you put your sleeves up, getting ready to work with this wrench, about to fix some ish, smoke in your eyes, and then you look up for them to laugh at you because like, wow, look at her, she can fix the car and save us, haha, let's laugh at her and bully. I would have left their ass. Like, I don't get what you can fix and save all of us from being stranded. Now this is where it takes a turn. This is first of all, I thought this teddy bear looked kind of creepy, and I thought this teddy bear was gonna laser them and they're gonna explode and you see a splatter of blood. But this is a K-pop MV. So it turned them into like good people, helpful people. I'd get me a bear. Give me that bear because I think America needs it. I think America needs this bear. There's a like we need more than half the US needs this. Give me that bear. Give me that bear. I need that. Wouldn't be me. I would have left their ass. Anyways, Taeyeon, your voice is so beautiful. I love the dramatics of the instrumental. It has like the rock, especially the rock part right here. I think this part right here, like her head is in chaos too. Wow. Let's go, Taeyeon. Let's go. Let's go. Let me see what the comments say. Perhaps it's for everyone who's been struggling to accept themselves wholeheartedly because of their past decisions that hurt them. It may be Letter to Myself could be a reminder for all of us that it's okay, and that even if we're lost at some point in life, we're bound to find ourselves again and grow on our own pace. I think those people on the bus are different voices in their head. Right. That's what I thought too, because I feel like the bus itself, the containing of the bus is inside her head as well. And also in our head, sometimes self-doubting, sometimes self-defeating. It's the voices, you know, like not to be like funny, but you know, like one of those, like, you try to hype yourself up, but them demons tell you inside your head, like, you could call them demons, you could call them the voices in your head. We just have like our insecurities, our self-doubt always sometimes beats us, but sometimes at least at certain points you can overcome it, and I'm guessing in this she does overcome it. But as long as there's one voice supporting us, although it's just a small voice and seems weak, it can turn out powerful and motivate us to keep on going. Whenever there's difficulty, all voices have a common goal to work together. In the end, we're all back to their houses. Taeyeon, feeling safe and happy. So just face the voices genuinely, because no matter how they look like, they make you. Wow. Oh, that was nice. That was a nice one. Shout out to Taeyeon. That was really beautiful. I'm definitely gonna have to show some people this, to some of my friends. This is really nice.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.